Good morning, world. It's your boy Duke. Last night we had a seminar. We had a few people in the house. We had a young lady by the name of Shawnee. She shared about launching your business in 90 days. We had Ingrid. She shared about personal credit and her experience with personal credit. And I shared a little bit on business credit and building credit on your own with your personal guarantee, with your personal credit being guaranteed, and also on building credit on your EIN, just on the tax ID. That being separate from your personal credit allows you to leverage it because it's not attached to your Social Security. If you listen to our current president, Trump, he always spoke about when he filed bankruptcy, it was never really on his personal credit, it was on his corporations, more or less, the EINs. Those entities are the ones that absorb the loss. All right. Today I'm going to make it very clear with you guys about credit. It's essential, it's important. But like I always say to people in the beginning of my videos when I speak about credit or finances, money and credit is not the all and all in life. Your relationship with God, great health, relationship with family, and the people that shows you love, those things are pivotal. And then, of course, you got to get your money right. But money helps with everything because it can help keep you healthy if you can buy organic, good food, exercise, get a trainer, keep a peace of mind. That helps. It can keep the relationship with your family on point. But it cannot deal with the thing with God. That's different. That's number one. That's most high. And there's nothing above that. Why is it important to build your personal credit? I know you're not a credit score. I know you're not a Social Security number. You're a divine being. So am I. These are human constructs. But at the same time, if you're going to live in this reality, it would help you save money. It will behoove you to have good credit. Because everything you buy in this system, in this structure, unless you live in a cash lifestyle, credit. In Jay-Z's new song, A Story of OJ, he said, the only thing greater than throwing money in the club, is great credit. So credit helps you buy houses. Credit helps you rent a place. Credit helps you buy a car. Credit helps you buy your plane ticket. Credit helps you go to fancy, nice vacation. Credit helps you when your kids is going to college, if they don't have a scholarship or there's some remaining balance, you could use that. Credit helps you on the insurance of your car, so it's cheaper because they are pulling your insurance when you're trying to get that car. They might not say it to you, but credit helps with that. Credit helps with inventory for your business. Credit helps you when you go for business credit. If your personal credit is good, you could get 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, 150 over time, hundreds of thousands of dollars. This is why it's important. Credit is important just because when they look at your profile, you're trying to purchase something. In this reality, they say, yo, credit is your good name in the game. It is. I'm not making up it's not a fib. It is true. Try to go buy a car with bad credit.